Howdy, it's Van McCoy, Master Distiller and Master Mixologist at Mayberry Spirits Distillery. And today we're going to make one of those true Southern classics, the Mint Julep. So we're going to start out and we're going to take some fresh mint, which I have just picked out of our mint garden here at the distillery. And we're going to put about 6 or 8 mint leaves inside our mint julep cup. Alrighty, so there we put some in that. And then you want to put just a splash of your simple syrup you'll be using later. So just a little splash, just enough so that there's some liquid in there. Then we're going to take our muddler and we're going to gently muddle it. We're not trying to kill it, we're not trying to crush it. We just want to gently muddle it because the mint leaves are very, very delicate. And just release that mint essence that's coming out of those. So about 6 or 8 turns of that muddling, not too much, we don't want to destroy the leaves. And then after that, we're going to fill this up with crushed ice, and you want it crushed as pretty much as far crushed as you can get it. A nice granulated crush is really the best to use on these in the traditional drink on that. So I've got your crushed ice in there, and then you're going to take 2 ounces of your whiskey. Today we're using our toasted vanilla whiskey. This is a single malt sorghum grain whiskey. It's at 90 proof. Very silky mouthfeel, very clean finish, and it has a wonderful vanilla bouquet that comes back. So the vanilla with the mint and the sugar base on this drink is going to make a really awesome take on that traditional mint julep. So in this case, we're going to put 2 ounces of the whiskey. And again, keep in mind, this was a drink that was meant to be drunk over an hour or so. This was a sip along through the afternoon while you're watching that famous horse race. So we've got 2 ounces of our whiskey in there, and then you're going to want to put 1 to 2 ounces of your simple syrup. Depends on how sweet you want it. You could use granulated sugar, but it's much easier and they mix much better if you're using a pre-prepared simple syrup. So I put 2 ounces in this particular one, and then what you want to do is take your stirring spoon and give it a gentle stir so that that whiskey and that muddled mint right at the bottom have a chance to mix. And then you want to take for your garnish 1 of those mint sprigs and stick it down in one of the little places between that crushed ice. And then you want to take your straw and you want it right next to that mint, because what happens is as you take your sip, your nose is close to that mint leaf. You get some of the nose of the mint and then you get your taste. It's also traditional to put it in either a silver or a copper julep cup like we have here. What happens is because of the conductivity of these particular metals, it's going to chill your glass, chill your drink much faster. See how already we've got this nice condensation right on the edge of that cup. That's what you want because you have a great chilled drink. So in any case, we have just made the Mayberry Mint Julep with our toasted vanilla whiskey, some simple syrup, and some fresh mint. Let's see how it is. Good. Mayberry Mint Julep, mayberryspirits.com. Cheers.